In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and the Gboard. Now just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!